Welcome. I'm here to guide you on creating tasks, editing their details, setting priorities, and moving them across your board. Let's start by scrolling to the bottom of any column and clicking the Add Task button to create a task. Next, type in a clear, action-oriented title. For example, instead of just homepage, write Design Homepage Mockup. Click on any task to open it and view all the details. You can edit the title by clicking directly on it and typing in the next text. Add a description to provide context to your team. Use rich text formatting for bullet points, bold text, or links. After typing in a description, click Save. On the right sidebar, explore options to add labels for color-coded categorization. You can add members directly to tasks or cards. Create a checklist by adding subtasks and assign individual members to these. Set due dates and start dates for deadlines. Attach files and photos and add a cover photo if it's more of a design task. Set the priority based on importance. You can move the card by selecting Move to change its column status. You also have the options to copy, watch, archive, or mark it as blocked with a reason. Finally, if you prefer not to enter the card, simply drag it to the desired column on the Kanban board.